I'm starting off the entire look with the Face Blur Primer by Etude House to blur out any imperfections, and also to make sure that my skin is smooth so that the cushion foundation that I'm gonna be applying later can glide on smoothly. Next, I'm going to be using the Any Cushion Aqua Touch, and I've been loving this cushion foundation because of its hydrating and cooling properties, which is perfect for summer. In order to achieve the Korean straight brows, I need precision and accuracy, so that's where this eyebrow pencil comes to play. I love how thin and soft it is and how it is able to mimic real hair. Just follow the direction of your brows with feather-like strokes and fill in any gaps. Use the spoolie to brush it out for a natural effect. Now, to create some dimension to my face, I'm gonna contour my face with the Play 101 stick. I'm applying it below my cheekbones, my jawline, nose, temples, and a little bit below my brow bone. My first impression of this product is that it is super smooth and creamy, which makes blending very easy. To bring out the features of my face and to create a dewy looking skin, I'm using the Play 101 stick in number 5, and I'm applying it on the highest points of my face, and then I just blend it out with my fingers. After that, I'm gonna add some color to my face with a blusher, and I'm using the Shining Powder Cheek Duo in Coral. I've been loving coral colored blushers because I like that sun-kissed effect. Now that we are done with the face, let's move on to eyes! To prime my eyes, I'm using the Proof 10 Eye Primer, and as you can see, I like to apply a generous amount of it on my eyes. This is to emphasize the color of the eyeshadow that you're gonna apply to make it more vivid and pigmented. This eyeshadow palette has been my go-to palette for summer because of all the pretty peach colors. To start off, I'm going to apply the matte peach color all over my lids, keeping it below the crease and also on my bottom eyelids as well with a smaller brush. A K-pop inspired makeup look is not complete without the iconic Aegyosal, and I'm applying this shimmery pearl shade from the same palette slightly below my bottom lids to make the eyes pop. Shimmers and glitters are always used by K-pop idols for that bancha look, so I'm gonna apply this beautiful copper shade on the center of my lids. Then, to add more depth to the eye look, I'm going to use the darkest shade of the Peach from palette and apply it on the outer corners of my eyes with a fluffy brush. Be sure to blend the eyeshadow so that there are no harsh lines. After that, I'm just adding the same shade on the outer half of my lower eyelids as well. Next, to complete the eyeshadow stage, I'm just going to lightly highlight my brow bone with the same shimmery pearl shade that I used earlier. I've been loving this super slim eyeliner because the brush is so thin and you have more control over how thin or thick you want your eyeliner to be. For this look, I'm just gonna create a small winged eyeliner on the outer corners, and then I'm going to use the pencil liner to fill in any gaps on my lash line. To emphasize a more sultry look, I'm going to apply it on the outer corners of my lower lids as well. After giving my lashes a bit of a squeeze, I'm going to use this Long Lash Volume Mascara from Etude House to give my lashes a bit of an oomph because, you know, I need all the help I can get in the lash department. Then, to top it all off, I'm going to use this sticker lashes for extra volume, and get this, guys, it comes with an adhesive band, which means you don't even have to use an eyelash glue for this. However, it can be slightly tricky to apply, but hey, practice makes perfect. I personally like to use a tweezer to get the falsies in place. Now for the lips, let's swatch the Matte Chic lip lockers from the Red Velvet and Etude House range. To those who know me well, you would know that my bias is Irene, and of course, her shade is definitely one of my top 3 favorites. It's a fun red color with a pinkish tone, and to complement the lip color, I wore a red beret with a plain white button-up top just like Irene. My next favorite from the range is Wendy Brown, but in this shot, it appears to be a mauvey pink because of how I blended it. I love how wearable this color is for any occasion, and here I am wearing a strappy dress from Love Bonito over a green velvet dress to match Wendy's outfit. Last but not least is Joy Grapefruit, which has a more orange undertone to it. I like how it fits my skin and how it brightens up the entire makeup look. The Red Velvet Matte Chic Lip Blocker range is now available, and I will link them in the description box down below for you to check them out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. Click on the like button if you want to watch more tutorials and inspired outfits, and leave a comment to let me know which is your favorite look. Until the next video, I'll see you guys soon. Bye sayangs!
Lihat bintang-bintang jadi